Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Does your trading performance seem stuck? I mean, you're doing the research, you're watching the markets, you're using the tools, but you just can't seem to get the results you're hoping for. Truth is, you might be sabotaging yourself with some sneaky beliefs that are known to derail traders. Today, I'm breaking down 5 personal beliefs that could be keeping your trading stuck, and trust me, these are way more common than you think. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. Belief number 1 that could be keeping your trading stuck: I need to be right. This is the old ego talking. And even if you're humble, this one can get you because nobody likes to be wrong. But if you base your trading on proving you're smart instead of managing risk, you're setting yourself up for disaster. You'll hold on to bad trades or you'll be too slow to get into good ones. Analysis paralysis sets in with people who have a need to be right. Master traders don't care about being right, they care about being ready, which means cutting losers quickly and letting winners run. We're always watching for opportunities to protect and promote our capital. Here's your pro tip. Shift your mindset from being right to being ready to make good decisions quickly and consistently. The market doesn't care about your ego. Next up, belief number 2 that could be keeping your trading stuck: the market owes me. Nope, no it doesn't. Not after a loss and not after 10 losses. The market isn't a slot machine with a payout timer. Only gamblers think that. Believing you're due for a win will cause you to revenge trade. You'll over leverage, you'll chase bad setups, and you'll end up feeling like the market owes you even more. Master traders remember each trade is independent. Past results have no bearing on what happens next. Stay objective, stay patient, stay ready, and stay out of trouble. Okay, so then there's belief number 3 that could keep your trading stuck, and it's a bad one. I'll just trust my gut. Hey now, intuition, it isn't worthless, but it should never be your main trading strategy. Your gut is influenced by fear, greed, and caffeine. A trade should be based on data, risk reward, and a defined action plan. Don't base it on vibes. Master traders use a system. We apply, analyze, and adjust. Then rinse and repeat. Do this first, and then maybe you can learn to layer in some intuition. Just remember, information plus application equals transformation. All right, then we have belief number 4 that could keep your trading stuck. This strategy will always work. We've all been there. We've thought it at one time or another. Here's what it feels like. You were on a roll, and then your profits rolled away. What happened? Why did it stop working? I'll tell you why. It's because markets evolve. What works in a bull run might crush you in a sideways chop. Believing any strategy is bulletproof leads to overconfidence and lack of adaptability. You'll end up a one-trick pony, and that gets old really fast. Master traders constantly review their edge. We recognize changes in the market. We test the waters. And if we don't see what we're looking for, we know when to sit on our hands. Your ability to adapt is your real edge, not one magical strategy. And finally, belief number 5 that could be keeping your trading stuck: I'll be successful if I just work harder. See, now this one's tough because it sounds noble. But trading isn't a 9-to-5 hustle game. It's not about how many hours you put in. It's about the quality of your decisions and emotional control. You can stare at charts 12 hours a day and still make the same mistakes. Take a break, clear your head, get a veteran trader to share his perspective. Sometimes it's more about changing your approach than it is about challenging your resolve. More efforts doesn't equal more profits. All right, so let's recap the 5 beliefs that could be keeping your trading stuck. 1, I need to be right, ego over logic. 2, the market owes me. No, it doesn't. 3, I'll trust my gut. Have a plan instead. 4, this strategy always works. Nope, markets change. Why don't you? And number 5, I just need to work harder. It's about the quality, not the quantity of your trades. If any of these sound like you, don't beat yourself up. Awareness is the first step to improvement. Let me know in the comments which one of these beliefs you've struggled with and what's helped shift your mindset. And hey, if you want to learn more, I and my good friend Blair Nightingale put together a free masterclass called Stock Trading: The New Gold Rush. In it, you'll learn why trading could be the best way to make money right now, what keeps most people from doing it, and what is the best way for you to begin learning your first professional strategy. You can check it out using the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the masterclass, and then I'll see you in the market.